đổi qua đem gạo ra, cơm á.
Yeah. Hey Kelvin, what is Ba doing?
Rescuing a bird.
What happened?
It went so big it fell off the nest.
So what is Kelvin giving Ba?
Cooked rice.
Oh no, it's on the ground. Back. Back.
Dạ.
What ba làm sao?
Còn cái bỏ lấy rồi hồ nét á thì nó bò ra ngoài à, cái nét nó chỉ bằng cái scoop đó thôi à.
Mấy con?
3 con vòng á. Lấy ra mình treo lower. Yeah, that's okay. That's the way it's supposed to be. Get to go deep in there and then take the whole nest out. Put it inside here.
Yeah.
And tie up down here. Okay.
Well, how many birds is it, Ba?
3.
Mấy cái lock?
One fall out on the branch, and the other one on the ground.
Oh man.
Let's take the whole net inside here. Four, 5, 4. Nè, cứ kêu ra coi đi. Chưa cánh nha.
Yeah. Well, is it hungry mà nó hả miệng hoài vậy Ba?
Yeah.
Well, that's my dad rescuing some chicks off a falling windy bush. Good job, Ba.
I try.